clogged pores. Ew. Look at all that. Oh my god. Let my brushes and my beauty sponges soak in hot water for maybe like 2 hours or so, just to make sure all of the powder and all the makeup that's just been built up in there releases itself into the water. Been wanting to do for a while, but I just like never prioritize. So there's a lid, it keeps all the dust out. I just have some powder here. This is lotion and this is like clips. Then this is lipstick here, chapstick. This is like a free drawer clear thing. Has these little circles in there so that you can pull it like this. It doesn't allow you to take it out all the way because there's like something stopping it. You don't accidentally like just pull it out completely. All right, here's a package from Amazon. iPhone 14 Pro Elago silicone case with MagSafe, and it's in the color stone. As you know, it's like a beige. I don't know if they're made, but I think they're designed in California. magnetically. Guess I last minute decided to get lash extensions, even though I wanted them, but I never thought I would ever should get them. I'm just in the salon right now. I'm waiting for like 10-20 minutes maybe. I've never had lash extensions before, so this is going to be different. These are my natural lashes. As you can tell, they're very straight. Yeah, I literally just walked in here and asked them if they had any availability. They basically just like took me in. I'm in this salon called Q1 Nails and Spa. Very impulsive things. You could tell this side looks fuller because she said that this side she ran out of lashes to stick the lashes onto, which is why you see like a little bit of like emptiness on there. But damn, my eyes are sensitive, all right? They're like red. I wanted something that was like one step up from natural, I guess, because I don't really want something too dramatic because I'm not down for that right now. It's been about almost 12 hours since I got them done. My eye here is really red. I'm guessing it's just a reaction to the glue. I'm just gonna do my brows just to see how my lashes look with my brows. I used to put on my brows every day for high school. This is how I do my brows. So I start like in the inner portion like this and then just lightly fill it in. And this is the LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pencil in the color dark. Yeah, so I just go like this and then I fill in like the arch part. And my brows aren't really that arched, but I like to just like create a little more of an arch while I'm filling them in. And then up here is like a little sparse, if you can tell. So the hair up here doesn't really exist. So then I just fill in that as well. And the trick is just to like use very light strokes, because if you do it too dark, it just looks kind of boxy. And then I just fill in like the middle part here, like the inner part, I guess. And I just use like upward motions just to create that natural growth, because that's like how your hair naturally grows, is upwards, up like this. And then fill in this part here too. And then I do my other one. So my experience at the salon was very impulsive. It took them about 45 minutes to get the procedure from start to finish. And they started off, I'm pretty sure, by using some kind of tape and putting it underneath my eyes, like right here. And I'm pretty sure to put some tape like on top here as well. But I couldn't see anything because I couldn't open my eyes when they were doing it. But it was a relatively quick process. I was getting a little uncomfortable towards the end because I just wanted to open my eyes because the tape was starting to irritate me. When I like opened my eyes and I looked in the mirror, her. I thought it looked pretty good. She ran of natural lashes because I don't have a lot of natural lashes on this area. But yeah, I went to an Asian salon. I'm pretty sure it's owned by Vietnamese people, and they can still speak English, but their English is like you can tell that they're not from here. But it was actually quite busy because they actually had quite a few customers. They don't just do lashes, they also do like manicures and pedicures, and I think like spas as well. It was nice how I just walked in there and I asked them if they had any like availability literally at the moment, because I wanted to just get it done and I also didn't want to have to come back on another day. So for a little less than an hour of service, I wouldn't really expect it to take much longer than an hour, but like it's just lashes, you know, it's not gonna take 5 hours. Usually I like to just like blend in the center part here just to make it a little lighter. That way it's like darker here and then it gets lighter, and that's how I do my brows.